Good news, I found a size 8 navy.
No, you're right. That package should have arrived by now. Let me track that.
Yeah, these pants are awesome if you have hips. Super slimming.
Okay, let me just review this with you. You have 6 bridesmaids. You ordered 6 of the Silk Chitoni Infinite dresses in pink. The wedding is in 3 days, and the dresses just arrived all in charcoal gray. Which we don't even sell, so that is a bit of a mystery. Okay, here's what we're going to do about this. I'm going to call the vendor and have this fixed today. I will personally see the dresses before they are FedEx, and I promise you they will be at your front door by 9 a.m. Friday. Okay? You know what, let me give you my cell just in case. 718-555-0199. Oh, thank you so much for your patience. And I am going to return back all your money. Yes. Okay, hey, you check this one off your list. Okay, this is done. And Rachel, have a great wedding. Oh my God, how did that happen? Jules? I know, I'm late for something. Yeah.
Hi, Art.
Why I take customer service calls. I mean, it's so good. You learn so much. Okay, what's up? What am I doing?
Okay, Cameron was great with me, but had another meeting. He said we back at.
Yeah, I know. Tagal ko na din nagla-live.
From tomorrow's homepage, right? And your 11 o'clock is in the big conference room?
No, cause ano nga, diba? Wait lang. Pinost ko lang yung movie. Little backstory. When I moved here, sa new place ko, syempre, I had to like, pa-request na side transfer ng internet connection. But the thing is, super tagal ako nakabitan ng wifi here. So of course, data lang palaging ginagamit ko, ganyan. And medyo mahina yung signal ng data dito sa new place ko. So I mean, I tried to go live. I feel like some of you guys have watched. I tried to go live a few months ago using my data, but it did not work at all kasi mahina talaga. So of course I had no choice but to like, you know what, I'll just wait for the Wi-Fi. So now na meron na, this is why I'm here. Pero guys, ito pala, kasi ang alam ko, diba, some of you guys know me, na nagsistream din ng Valo dito. And ang funny din kasi like a lot of my friends or like a lot of other people that I meet, binabanggit nila na nakikita nila ako nagsistream ng Valo dito sa TikTok. So, I was surprised. Kaya when I got the internet connection and I was looking for the cords or yung mga cables na kailangan for the PC, hindi ko alam paano ikabit yung iba, and I think I lost some pieces or like yung some cables. Hinahanap ko pa. Hahanapin ko pa, hinahanap ko pa before ako makapag-stream ulit ng Valo dito. So yeah. Thanks sa gifts. BBB. Yeah. Binibini gumawa ka na ng lesson. Hi, Rihanna. O2O. Yeah, I think I own yung parang shimmer nila na eyeshadow. Ay, no. Yeah, yung parang shimmer nila na eyeshadow. Bisaya ka po ba? Yeah. Bisayang dako. Nice mong hair. Thank you.
The 10. Bye, I need you, and I guess you